Morning children, welcome to our online class standard 6th lesson cell evaluation. Give very short answer. Who discovered the cell in 1665? Answer: the English scientist Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665 from cork slice kept under a microscope. Second, what type of cells do we have? Answer: we have eukaryotic cell. Next, third question, what are the essential components of a cell? Cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuole, nucleus, nucleus membrane are essential components of a cell. Fourth one, what are the organelles found only in plant cell? Answer: chloroplast and cell wall are the organelles found in plant cell. Fifth one, give any three example of the eukaryotic cell. Answer: plant cell, animal cell, fungi and algae cell. Sixth one, which one is called as area of movement? The cytoplasm is called as area of movement. 7. Schwarz said bigger onion has larger cells when compared to the cells of the smaller onion. Do you agree with this statement or not? Explain why. Answer: no, I don't agree with the statement. Cell size has no relation to the size of an organism. Okay children. Next one, give a short answer. Question number 1, why cells are called building blocks of life? Answer: a cell is the smallest unit of a living thing. All the living things are made up of billion of cells. They are the basic units of life and come from other cells. They can reproduce, build and change. That is why they are called building blocks of the cell. Question number 2, identify any four parts of the plant cell. You mark the parts in the cell children. This is the plant cell. What are the parts are present in the plant cell? See the diagram. First one, cell wall. The outer portion is called a cell wall. Next, nucleus. The center position is present in the nucleus. Next, vacuole. The largest portion of the cell, vacuole. Then the mitochondria. These are the four parts are present in the plant cell. Distinguish between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. First, prokaryotic cell. Its diameter ranges from 1 to 2 micron. Absence of membrane found organelles. Nucleus consisting of no nuclear membrane. The last point, absence of nucleoli. In prokaryotic cell, absence of nucleoli. Okay, next, eukaryotic cell. Its diameter ranges from 10 to 100 micron. Presence of membrane bound organelles. The true nucleus consisting of nuclear membrane. Presence of nucleoli. Okay children. Next, question number 4. Make sketches of animal and plant cells that you observe under the microscope. Plant cell. It is usually larger in size. It is hard in nature. Plant cell have a cell wall in addition to the cell membrane. Plant cell have chloroplast which contain chlorophyll. Plant cell have large vacuoles. Centrioles are absent. See the diagram children and mark the parts of the plant cell. Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Next, animal cell. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cell. It is not so hard as plant cell. A cell wall is absent. The chloroplast is usually absent. An animal cell may have many small vacuoles. Centrioles are found in animal cells. Yes. See the picture of the animal cell and mark the part and draw the diagram, children. Next, fifth one. Write about the contribution of Robert Hooke in cell biology. Answer. Robert Hooke was an English scientist. He improved the microscope and built a compound microscope. He used a water lens to illuminate the specimen. He observed a thin section of cork suppressed to see hexagonal cells. He published a book named Micrographia in 1665. Also first used the term. Next, answer in detail. Tabulate 5 organelles and their function. See, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast and nucleus. These are the 6 organelles, children. Main functions is also there. You are write in your classwork note clearly. Okay, it's also in your book. Next one. Draw a neat label diagram of a prokaryotic cell. Chromosome, outer membrane, inner membrane, flagellum. This is the prokaryotic cell, children. Draw a diagram neatly in your classwork note. Okay. Yeah, your evaluation part also finished in the last lesson, children. Completely 4 lessons are completed. 4 lessons are completed. All of you write in your classwork note, children. Thank you.